Hi, my name's Nikki, and in this clip I'd like to introduce you to the voting feature in Outlook. I'm sure you've all been on the receiving end of a string of emails that goes back and forth copying lots of people trying to make a decision. Well, there is an easier way. This is Outlook 2013, but this feature is exactly the same in 2007 and 2010. So I'm going to start by composing my email. Add your recipients as normal and your subject line. Now let's go up to the Options tab and choose Use Voting Buttons. You can see there are some simple options here already, or if you want your own you can just go to Custom. And it gives you a clue here how you need to type your options. All you do is type a semicolon in between them. So I'm going to put in mine, and then we just close it. And up here you can see it lets you know that you've set up the voting. In the body of the email, I recommend that you give clear instructions to click on the voting button at the top, because not everyone has used this feature before. So let's see what you receive when you get a voting email. This is what it looks like, and it couldn't be easier to make your vote. Simply just choose and click OK. As each person votes, you'll get just a simple one-liner with their response. And if you have a look in this information bar here, you can also click on it. And this is the best bit, you get all of the votes so far. So it's really easy to keep a tally. And that blue bar will also be available in the original sent email. So no need to trail through replies or log all the responses elsewhere. And when it's decided, you can tell people clearly the way the vote went. Thanks for joining me.